people to the vlogs. Right. Last time you guys saw me in a car, I didn't have a car. Now this time I I got that. Yeah, last time I didn't have a car, this time I have a car. What's up? What's new? Hey, But I'm on my way to go golfing. Elier Franco plays golf today with one of my buddies. We gotta go back. We gotta do the same. We gotta do the thing that we used to do every time I drove in a car. Is play a song, and that depicts the text, makes up the mood for today. Let's listen. Oh shoots. Give me reasons we should be complete. Another sick thing from this car. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Look at this. Oh shoot, hold on. Look at this. What? That is insane, brother. I could put y'all outside. Look at this. Ain't that sick?
Doesn't even fucking baddies on the course today. These smells.
Right. Look at this beauty. Let's just hope you guys could see.
Do you want a tea?
No, I'm good.
Just don't lose it. Oh no, I thought you were gonna use it.
No.
Oh, okay. Okay, can I have it back after? Because it was the only one I had. I was
No, I don't use tea.
No? I think
Juju.
much. All good.
Yeah, that's not bad.
I'm gonna put my tea over.
I have no clue. Right, this is where I am at. Like what? Let's just hope you guys can see. That's not a good view. Right. Oh man, that was cheeks. I topped it. Nice day. It's out. It's super hot outside. I didn't hit it. Oh my goodness.
Finish on it.
Oh, fuck you. Alright, this is to tie with you. Oh. First hole down, how we feeling?
I mean, fucking putt. I'll be feeling great. I thought that was gonna go in.
Oh, shit.
Oh man. You switching the putter?
Putter? Oh, yes, sir. Gots to. I think I use like a different putter every hole. Yeah, another thing I struggle with is just hitting it too hard.
What I think I'm gonna hit, I always knock it down like 2 notches, bro.
The thing is, I've tried doing that and then I just
Don't hit it.
High leap, yeah.
Oh. See? Oh.
Right.
We're chilling. That's good, it's
we
good.
good.
I just gotta hit hole-in-ones for the rest of the round. I'll be chilling. That's good. We're on the green. Yeah, bro. What? Right. I'm gonna drop off here. I'm gonna drop myself off here and then. Okay. If you wanna go.
What the hell is it?
Is that mine or yours?
No, that was already on the floor.
There?
Right there, on your feet.
Oh! Oh! Alright. Is that good?
Yeah, that was pretty good, bro. That's a far ass putt from me.
Yeah, it is quite far. Broski's all the way over there. I'm right here. You're hitting it for what? For 2?
Yeah, it's super.
Okay. That's my third try. This is my 4th. My brother. What are we doing?
Bro, what the fuck was that?
Go on. Nice. Oh my god.
Bro, you're just pulling up with some fucking crazy ass putters, dog. Like, what is that? Ooh. One ball.
Alright. I'll meet you over there.
Oh, hell.
Oh, what? Snap! Did you get the last one? I got
Oh.
6. You got a 5.
I got a 5.
I'm a noose.
Let me suck that thing, bro.
Say that dang. Say that dang. Sandman wedge and a putter. It is burning up. Bro, I hit the ground. Slow down. That was nice. See? What did I tell you?
Too soft.
My turn, yeah?
Yeah.
Right. Let's do this. My camera's overheating and that's not good. But what is good is this form. Yeah. Oh yeah. No! What's that black thing over there? You don't see it? Like in the divot?
I don't know, it looks like a pole or something. Well, it might be a
Sprinkler?
club. Hey, shit, man.
Hey, sure, man. If it is, it is.
What's that? A small one. A chode.
Oh, my shank.
You want a molly?
I might take a molly.
Use Mr. Chode Man. Woo! What?
What a bounce, bro.
What? That's insane. I should have gone with the P wedge.
Oh, you sure?
Yeah. Crazy, crazy. Look at that ball. Look at my butt. Look at that ball. Look at my butt.
I've been trying not to go on these days. I don't think you wanna let me.
Oh my goodness.
I don't think you wanna.
Okay.
Yeah, I feel like if I hit a P, I'm gonna sing.
Yeah. Was that a sandwich?
Yeah.
What?
Yes, sir.
That's a hard ass sandwich, bro. Nope, baby.
That was nice. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. All right. Had a sandy cheeks.
What happened? That was insane. Bro. Did you say that? You just say you hit it on the green.
Attaboy, there you go.
Fuck yeah, baby.
Ooh! Ooh, that was nice! Alright. Alright, could be worse.
I gotta get to my position.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
I think that should be good.
Is that crazy arch or what? I hit the floor, bro. I hit the floor before I like actually ball. All right.
I think that's pretty good.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. On to the last two holes. Last two holes.
Oh shit, hot.
What? Yes, sir. Morgan or whatever.
She got me, bro. She wrote me the equation, bro.
Dang.
I wrote that shit down and I passed the test, bro.
So now you're trying to wife her up?
Nah, I'm trying to fuck. Just kidding.
Ay, that was nice. It got some good length, or not good length, but it got some good
Girth?
think about dick.
What?
I think we hit the 6.
Yeah, I'm hitting a 6.
Are you? Should I go with the 6?
Yeah. Do you want to use this one? Alright.
What they say? 6 up. Turn the 6 upside down. It's a 9 now.
Damn.
Bro. I'll take a mullet.
Alright.
One more time. What do they say? 6 upside down is a 9 now?
Yep.
Hey. What do they say? 6 upside down is a 7 now? Alright, so for some reason, I'm gonna use yogurt covered blueberries, but for some reason, hold on, y'all ready for this? Oh. For some reason, I was recording in a time lapse instead of actual footage. So if I look if I look like I'm tweaking, or I am, but it's also because of the time lapse. Yeah. That's nice. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The camera on the floor and it's scratched. Ah. Get on the grass. Yeah, screw it.
Everyone else is fucking crazy.
Oh my goodness.
I forgot what that was. That was 1, 2. So I took a drop. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm shooting for 7 now. That's nice. Stay. So I'm hitting for 8 now. I'm actually upset my camera fell on the ground. Good thing it didn't crack the lens, because I was gonna crack it tonight. Oh, that was nice. That was for 8. Okay. Yes, sir. Let's see who won. You ready? All right. 5, 3, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 4, 9. I think I'm 44. Right. 5, 6, 6, 5, 7, 4, 5, 5, 8. 51.